Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm here to share some more lovely smiles in the mail. And I love to share the cards that people send because I think they can give you inspiration. And look at this stunning step card, which has been created by the lovely Karen Egan, who is part of Team Scrimper. And she sent me this just because she's lovely. And yeah, she's used gingham here. She absolutely loves the gingham. She's in love with it, and it's all in the beautiful seaside spray. It's stunning, and she's used the beautiful daisies there and the lovely faceted gems. And it just says, friend, it's your time to shine. And she's just saying that she hopes I have a lovely time on the Stampin' Up incentive trip. So I thought that was so kind. She is lovely. She's always sending me cards. I love them. And then this one here, what a beauty. This is from Helen Chandler, who is our lovely special team lady who used to live in Canada, moved over to England and joined my team over here. And just look at that, and see, these cards came on the same day and they both used the same colour. How awesome is that? And I love how she's used the dandelion wishes there in white on that lovely seaside spray cardstock. It's stunning. I think that's a lovely idea for everybody to try. And again, you know, the white embossing there, and then here she's used the script embossing folder that we've got, and then the lovely, I'm not sure which that shape's from, if I'm honest, because I don't have it. And she's just sent me that because I wasn't feeling so very well last week. I had a bit of a bout where I was like poorly, and then I was alright for a day, and then I was poorly again. So it linked to my fibromyalgia. And so she sent me that to hope that I feel better. So they thoughtful, my team. They are lovely. And then this one here, and I love this because this is very clean, what I call clean and simple. But just look how that card pops. There's no layers, there's no paper. We've just got a simple thank you and a simple daisy. But that, to me, is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And, you know, a beginner could make that card, and how stunning does that look? And she sent me some money. She sent me some money. I'm going to go and get myself a burger. No, she's cashing in some of her team rewards and just adding a little bit of money towards it because the item that she wants is more than her rewards. So there we go. So those are my cards that I've received over the last couple of days. All of them from my team, aren't I? Look, lovely ladies. So there we go. I think you can get some awesome inspiration, and it seems like we're all using blue. Different shades of blue, but how beautiful are those? So I hope those give you some inspiration. I always like to come and share things that I receive because I like to show my gratitude and share the beautiful cards that people make with you. Right, I'm gonna go start waffling. I've got things to do, places to be, cases to pack, some cream to pack. I'm getting ready to go on the incentive trip. I'm not sure when this video will go up because I am scheduling a few whilst I'm away. So it could well be that I'm sunning myself in Greece whilst you're watching this video. I'm not quite sure, we'll see. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.